Let's go and make something.
I've just realised I don't actually have a blade for this. What a type of blade I'm looking for is something like that. However, my problem, all these ones here are for my old scroll saw, which are all got wee pins on them. You can see. However, my new scroll saw is a pinless. You can see there's no pins on the end there. So what I'm going to try and do, I don't know if this will work. What I'm going to try and do is see if I can grind one off and just use it. We'll see what happens, eh? See if it works. I've got enough blades to ruin. I don't really care. So I'm going to have a go at grinding one off and just see what happens. So the moral of the story here is, before you start a project, make sure you've got the right blades and that ready to go. I actually thought I had some, but they all turned out to be for my old scroll saw. So I don't know if this is actually going to work. It should do. We'll find out, eh? Make sure I'm going the right way for a start. Might be help. Can't see what I'm doing. Let's see how that works. Ooh. Might help. the weakest point. So what I've done is the grain is going this way, so that the legs are the strongest, but his arms, the weakest point is just in here. But hopefully it shouldn't cause any issues. That didn't take much. Ouch. Try that again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.